True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in St.ELIZABETH. I'm gonna show you how to get to Lover's Leap. If you're coming from the Kincaid side, and if you're coming from the Southfield Square, you have some landmark where you have to look out for. So look out for them landmark, right? You have a bus stop right here. Colorful bus stop. So don't forget this turn right here. You will see this sign, Lover's Leap. So you see that car there turn, that's the way you take to Lover's Leap. See that colorful bus stop there? That's a landmark also. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. So I'll show you how to get to Lover's Leap. So the direction I'm coming from Southfield Square. So when you're coming from that side, you will see a pretty bus stop in some pretty full vibrant colors. So you're gonna make that right turn, will take you over into the Lover's Leap area. If you're coming from Kincaid side, yeah, the Kincaid main road side, you would make the left turn, right? So this is the library right here. So if you learn something about this island Jamaica, leave it in the comment section and big up on yourself. Yeah man, see this beautiful road right here. You will see some beautiful house in this area. Yeah man, some beautiful house in this area. Big up Yellow, big up yourself anyway there. Big up Yellow man, big up yourself. One love and one heart, always tune into the channel. Big up yourself Marcia, big up yourself Andre, big up yourself. Everyone big up themselves on the channel who take the time out to tune into this informative channel about Jamaica. So we're on our way to Lover's Leap in St.ELIZABETH, Jamaica. That is where two lovers leap. It's from a distance. I don't really know the distance, but it's a good distance, alright? So if you want to come to the Lover's Leap, come enjoy that cliff tour. Also enjoy the scenery. They have some nice food. So you need to come check it out. Yeah man, Lover's Leap. So leave in the comment section the people where you're watching from. I would really appreciate it. And also remember to press the like button free of cost. Right? Yeah man, I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Press the like button man, free of cost. And if you learn something about this channel, you can also subscribe and also press the bell icon and press all. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Yeah man, so please press the like button. Thank you. So we're on our way to Lover's Leap in St.ELIZABETH. Yeah man, Jamaica nice. So much nice spot there Jamaica we can hang out. But today I will show you one. Back in the days, the road condition never stay so good, but see where them spend some money and fix up the road. You will have one or two potholes still, but still better than before. On your left, you also have the Lover's Leap guest house. So if you want to stay for the night at the guest house, you can also stay right there. So it's about maybe 7 minutes drive from the entrance where I show you the bus stop. Depends on how fast you're driving, but you know I'm taking my time. So it's gonna be more, so it can also be less time. This area is also a beautiful area. When you talk about land is very expensive here. Very expensive. Get a nice view. So if you want to live in Lover's Leap, you have to pay the price. See, that is where you see the lighthouse. Then you can say yes, you reached your destination. That's the lighthouse right there. So I'm gonna make the right turn. Open hours is from Monday to Thursday 12 p.m, 9 p.m. Friday to Sunday 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Alright, so welcome to Lover's Leap. So this is the parking lot area. So when you park your car, you can easily see from where you're eating. You can see your car, and it's a very safe area also. So welcome to Lover's Leap. Welcome. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek in the area so you can keep on watching. So this is the open hours. Yeah man, so this is the place to be. Yeah man, anytime you see the open hours, very nice place. Come and enjoy with the family members. Very nice. So take a trip when you come to Jamaica, ST.ELIZABETH side, visit Lover's Leap. Look at this beautiful sign right here, very beautiful. Yeah man, so all the picture lovers them. Yeah man, it's a nice sign right here. As you can see the background with a hood finish. Very nice. So yeah man, so remember say all of you like up the video and subscribe if you know. Love it thing. Big up on yourself and the owner watch from True Jamaican. See there? Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. One love and one heart. Yeah man, so this is the nice view. Very nice view. Can you imagine in the evening time here? you will get a beautiful sunset shot. So just come here in the evening also, very relaxing, and take the view and get a nice sunset view. So you all can book a reservation if you want to get married right here, get a nice view of where the two lovers live. So you all can check it out, make your reservation, even